something from Beyonce notes. If I were a boy, I think I could understand how it feels to love a girl. I swear I'd be a better man. That's right. If I were a boy, I'd turn up the light till everyone is broken, to the point that I was looking around. Impossible. That I'm happy for you, that I want nothing but the best for you both. I know the version of me, this simplicity. I hate to put you in the middle of dinner. It was a slap in your face, how quickly I was replaced. And do you ever think of her when you but you know what it goes,